Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you MacBook Pro. Now you can see this is a 16-inch 2021 and the RAM is 16 gigabyte and the storage is 512 gigabyte. You can see the battery capacity, the battery cycle count 99 and battery capacity is 100%. Okay, and you can see this is a silver color, a beautiful silver color. You can see the big trackpad, 16-inch 16-inch big trackpad and very smooth and you can see no scratch. Okay, the speaker grills, no problem, no scratch, and the trackpad function comfortable. The trackpad function is normal, no problem. And let me show you the logo surface. You can see the logo, no scratch, a little bit dirty, and here some fingerprint here, and also not a scratch, don't worry. Okay, here no scratch, no scratch here, no scratch here. Okay, let me show you the ports. You can see the ports. Okay, the charging port a little bit traces are used, and this corner a little dent you can see. And let me show you this edge. Okay, this edge. Okay, no problem, no problem, no problem. Okay, this edge, no problem. And let me show you this corner. Okay, no problem. And the port. Okay, no problem. And this price is about 6,100 CNY. You can see the beautiful 16-inch screen. The beautiful screen, and you can see the beautiful trackpad. If you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, if you want to know more information of the MacBook, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information and make more video about the MacBook. Okay, and see you guys in the next video. This is M1 Pro 16-inch and 16 gigabyte 16-inch 2021 512 gigabyte. Okay, see you in the next video.